Hi, today I come up with a new interesting topic that is IBM QRadar certification exam preparation. Focus to guide for QRadar SIEM analyst and admin certification. And this is important topic for cybersecurity. IBM QRadar certifications overview. IBM Security QRadar SIEM analyst, QRadar SIEM administrators focus monitoring, investigation, configuration. Exam domains, high level, QRadar architecture, data injection and normalization, correlations and offenses, searches and investigations, administration and tuning. QRadar core architecture exam focuses console, event collectors, event processors, flow collectors, and processors, aerial database. Event data and EPS concepts. Events from logs, DSM, parsing, and normalization. EPS licensing model. Burst versus sustained EPS. Flow data and network analytics. Qflow versus netflow. Metadata, no payload. Detect in lateral movement and anomalies. Normalization and DSMs, very important. Common event names and properties. Why normalization matters. Custom DSM use cases. QRadar correlation engine, real-time correlations, behavioral analysis, threshold and sequence rules. Correlations rule types, exam favorite, event rules, flow rules, threshold rules, followed by rules, reference set rules. Offenses explained, aggregation of alerts, magnitude calculations, relevance and severity, offense life cycle. Magnitude formula must know magnitude is equal to severity into relevance into credibility. Offense investigation or workflow. Review offense details, pivot to events flow, identity source and target, containment decision. Search aerial query language AQL. Event and flow searches, structured queries used for deep investigation. AQL examples. Select from events where source IP last 1 hours. References sets and maps store IPs, users, hashes used in correlations, key for insider and threat intel use cases. QRadar deployment models all in one distributed high availability. Administration topics, user roles and RABAC, time sync, NTP, network and data retention, license monitoring. Performance and tuning reduces false positives, optimize rules, monitor EPS slash EPS, use log source tuning. Log source management, auto detection, protocol configuration, parsing verification. Integrations know at eye level, SOAR resilient, threat intelligence, feeds, vulnerability scanners. Common exam traps, events versus flow confusion, severity versus magnitude, collector versus processor roles. Exam tips and strategy. Read scenario based questions. Think like a SOC analyst. Focus on QRadar terminology. Pre exam checklist. Understand architecture diagrams. Practice offense investigation. Practice AQL basics. Conclusions. Strong fundamentals plus hands on practice. Certification success. This is the last slide for today's interesting topic. Thank you.